Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. Before we proceed with the analysis for today and levels for tomorrow, better have a look at what we had predicted yesterday and what has actually happened. Here it is. We predicted market to be negative. Yes, market was negative for today, and Bank Nifty made a low of 43,501. So all the levels on the downside have been achieved, as the low is 43,501 and the high made is 44,040. So just below this level what we had given as the first update, and we expected my Bank Nifty to come down. Okay, and the same thing happened, and we even predicted that if it opens somewhere near 44,000, near these boundaries, 44,830, means it is not going to cross 44,883. Even if it crosses during the intraday, it will likely to come down towards 43,550, and the same thing happened. So did anything change with regard to Bank Nifty for tomorrow? So yes, there is a significant difference in the closing price, closing value of Bank Nifty. You can see that it is closed somewhere here. This was the previous close. Okay, and here what can we expect? We have closed little lower, maybe one of the lowest in the this band, this trading range. Okay, so you may expect Bank Nifty to open somewhere. If it is a gap up, you may see it opening somewhere around 43,750 to 800, and then take a resistance. If it is a gap up, little correction, okay, then may try to bounce and then give up all the gains. So our boundaries even for tomorrow remain same. So this was around 44,083 to 144. So now we limit higher side to 44,040. Okay. So from where we are at 43,633. So we are not going beyond this. If we go beyond this, this is the highest for tomorrow. So what we are expecting on the top side, 43,765, 850, then 930. So the extreme bullish case crossing 44,000 and moving toward 44,040 to 140. Okay. On the downside, the levels possible are 43,554, the same previous support level, breach of which will lead to opening of close for 43,410, below which you will see 365 followed by 304. We are limiting our view on the downside to 43,304 for tomorrow. So let us have a look at 1-day chart of Nifty. Okay, sorry, Bank Nifty. So here you can see that all the candles of Bank Nifty, they're taking resistance around this level. This trend line is acting now as a resistance, breach of which on upside may yield a very good move in the positive direction. So what can we expect? We can expect a move towards 20 period moving average, that is coming around 43,974, so well below 44,000. So this being the purple line being the 20 period average, and where it can find support, the same number 43,304, that is 50 period moving average, 50-day moving average, simple moving average. Okay, so now let us have a look at Fin Nifty. Tuesday being an expiry day, so it is important for us to look at Nifty also for tomorrow. So largely since December or not, even October or before, maybe September 2022 onwards, this Nifty is stuck between these two lines. This is now acting as a resistance and this is acting as a support. For now, where we are trapped in this higher band, and we are oscillating between these two lines. Okay. Today we have closed almost in the middle of this trading range. This channel you can see we closed almost exactly in the middle. So it's very tricky situation as far as Nifty is concerned for intraday purposes. Tomorrow being an expiry day. So what can we expect? So it can move either way. But if you are a trader, want to take positions, especially expiry day positions, so how should you be positioned? So if I have to trade Nifty tomorrow, I would look at 19,500 PE whenever there is a gap up or an up move somewhere around this level. This zone I will take as a zone to short. Okay, at 19,500 PE, when Nifty reaches 19,500, I will either buy PE or would prefer to write CEs 19,500 CE. So if it open gap up, gap down or during intraday, Nifty reaches somewhere around 19,300 levels, say, then I would prefer to go long on Nifty, expecting it to bounce back towards 19,450 to 500 range. Okay, so these are the options I would prefer to trade for weekly expiry tomorrow. So what are the coming to the levels? What are the levels possible? We are at 19,425. On upside, we'll be looking at maximum 19,522. Okay, beyond which, if there is a huge gap of 628. Okay, but it is this may not happen tomorrow. So in between, you may also see 19,475. On the downside, 19,361 followed by 287, breach of which may open door first 19,118. So we are limiting our view to 287 and then on upside 475 to 522. So that's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.